At Dataai, we help you identify and prioritize high-value partnerships. You lead corporate development for an established US casino slots publisher. Despite previous successes, your new games have not gained traction. To achieve growth targets, you need to explore MA options. Using Game IQ within Insights Generator, identify which games have deep user engagement and successful monetization strategies to start your M&A process. For example, identify targets by selecting the Game IQ genre, Casino Bingo. To focus on games with high engagement, search for strategies like daily login rewards. Next, target games with high usage frequency located in the Fan Favorites quadrant. Add these titles to a custom group in the Compare module. Finally, measure revenue per download to identify which games effectively monetize. With Dataai, you have the capabilities necessary to quickly identify the right MA targets for your business.